When you're running a complex business, it's critical to use a financial management system that can be your single source of truth. But when you want to use a spreadsheet to build a report or edit data, migrating the data back and forth can be a headache and leave room for errors you can't afford. Spreadsheet Sync, only in QuickBooks Online Advanced, connects your business data directly to Excel, so you can use your go-to spreadsheet functions with the confidence that your information is accurate. Easily build reports and visuals in Excel from your QuickBooks data to track your business performance. You can start with a template or add data from one or more companies to the spreadsheet. Then use formulas and functions, build pivot tables, and create graphs to get the insights you need. Save any reports you create for future use and refresh with the latest data in a single step. The sync works both ways. That means you can use Excel to edit your existing data or enter new invoices, bills, customers, and more right into a spreadsheet. Just choose the data you want to sync and you'll see it in QuickBooks right away. Work with your data and track business performance the way you want with Spreadsheet Sync, only in QuickBooks Online Advanced.